Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way to create professional style posters or video thumbnails without any softwares on any computer. All you gotta do is go to your browser and search for postermywall, and just click on the very first link that pops up, and then you'll go to the home page here, just like that. And then all you have to do is create a design. This website literally has tons of templates for every possible need that you'll have. You can search on the basis of your need, your size, what kind of thumbnail you need, what kind of poster you need, everything. Okay, for example, I'm just going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail here. Just click on a template and wait for it to download. And there we go, we have the template here. I'm just going to show you what all we can do in here. I'm just gonna power through a lot of the editing options and everything, so you just get an idea of what you gotta do in here. Okay, as you guys can see, there are literally tons of variations, tons of edits that you could do to a thumbnail in here. You can upload your own wallpaper, background, you can adjust size, adjust text, everything, literally everything you need is in here. After you're done, just download your image to your computer and it's that simple. Okay, so I hope you guys like the video, and I'd say just start creating your thumbnail, go and explore the website, and if you like the video, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe.